want to give some very simple tips. Something you should avoid if you have struggling with weight loss. For example, not too much cold drinks, not too much soda drink, of course, and not too much salad. But you have to eat a lot of cooked vegetables, but not too much salad, and not too much tropical fruits like banana, mango, watermelon. According to Chinese medicine, those three things could damage our digestive system, so make us not easy to lose weight. As I always emphasize, strengthening your digestive system is the key for weight loss. So for example, you can add more like corn, pumpkin, carrot, broccoli, celery, cucumber, all those variety vegetables into your daily foods. And the whole foods, not something like processed food. So that's important.